problem. Welcome to Lecture 2.6, Applications Part 2. So we're continuing on from where we left off about solving word problems, application problems. So let's say Bill is 6 years older than Tom. 3 years ago, Bill's age was 4 times Tom's age. Find the age of the boys now. So I'm going to fill in the information that I know and what I don't know. Well, I know that Tom's age I don't know. So I'm just going to say X. I do know Bill right now is 6 years older than Tom. So X plus 6. I know 3 years ago Tom's age was X minus 3. And I know Bill's age was X plus 6 minus 3. In other words, it's X plus 3. Okay. But I need to know 3 years ago Bill's age was 4 times Tom's age. So my equation is going to be Tom's age, Bill's age was 4 times Tom's age. So Bill's age 3 years ago was X plus 3. Tom's age was X minus 3, but Bill's age was 4 times that amount. So now that I have my equation, I can solve for X. But let me just repeat what I said right here. 3 years ago, Bill's age was 4 times Tom's age. So Bill's age, X plus 3, equals 4 times Tom's age 3 years ago. So Tom's age 3 years ago was X minus 3, 4 times that. Use distributive property, X plus 3, subtract 3, This gives me X equals 4X minus 15. I'm going to subtract 4X, and then negative 3X equals negative 15. Divide by negative 3, So X equals 5. Therefore, Tom's age equals 5 now. Bill's age equals 5 plus 6, and his age equals 11. Okay? Let's try a problem using geometry. So first, the length of a rectangle is 5 inches more than twice the width. The perimeter is 34 inches. Find the length and find the width. Now I did write down what my equation of my perimeter is. And I do know that my perimeter is 34 inches. So my perimeter is 34 inches. And I know my length of the rectangle is 5 inches more than twice the width. So my length equals twice the width, 5 inches more than twice the width, plus 5. Now I should have everything I need to solve this equation. So I have the equation of 34 equals 2L plus 2W. I'm going to use what I know about L and substitute into this equation. So 34 equals 2 times 2W plus 5 plus 2W, the continuation of the original equation. Use distribution, 4W plus 10 plus 2W equals 34. Combine like terms, 6W plus 10 equals 34. I can subtract, 10 from both sides. This gives me 24 equals 6 W's. Can divide by 6 from each side. So I know my width equals 4. But going back to my equation, or my original problem, I need to find both the length and the width. So I found the width. Now I'm going to use the L equals 2W plus 5. L equals to whatever I found for W, which is a 4, plus 5. 8 plus 5 will equal my L. Therefore, my length equals 13. But did I solve the problem yet? Well, 5 inches, perimeter is 34 inches, so my end problem should have the unit of inches. And then you would want to go back and solve your problem, just to verify that 13 and 4 are the correct. Let's work with a problem that deals with coins and money. So Jennifer has $2.45 in dimes and nickels. If she has 8 more dimes than she does nickels, how many of each coin does she have? So nickels we don't know, but we do know she has 8 more dimes than she does nickels. We also know the money amount for each of the coins. So the coin amount for nickels is 5 cents of nickels. And we have 10 cents worth of dimes. And I know if I add the two together, I'm going to get $2.45. Okay? I took a second to rewrite the problem. Now I'm going to distribute my 0.1 times x plus 0.80 equals 2.45. Add like terms, 0.15x plus 0.80 equals 2.45. Going to subtract 0.80, subtract 0.80. That will give me let me scooch it up a bit. 5, 8, 14 is 6 equals 0.15x. Divide each side by 0.15. 0.15. Therefore, x equals 11. That's how many nickels I have. But dimes, x plus 8 is 11 plus 8, and that gives me, sorry about that, 19. Gives me 19 dimes. In other words, $1.90 in dimes and 55 cents in nickels. And that indeed adds up to $2.45. So that's it for this lecture. Until next time, be seeing you. Answers.